Hello everyone and welcome to the YouTube channel of Keyapp, the platform that helps your applications to achieve top positions in the search on Google Play and App Store. And today we are going to discuss the latest updates from the App Store that can influence the way we work with this platform. If you watched our previous episodes of App Store optimization news, you could notice that mostly we discussed Google Play but not App Store. And it is true that previously there were not a lot of updates on App Store, and during last month they made different announcements that actually can influence the way we work with this store. So first of all, when we are discussing the news on App Store, it is needed to mention that for now, Apple is introducing a new search system that allows users to find the apps using natural language instead of keywords. So instead of typing the keyword like planner app, users can just type a phrase to plan a trip for two, and in such a way they will see the search list of the applications. At the same time, additionally, search results will now include texts that briefly describe an app key features. So when we're talking about this functionality, for now it is available only in the United States, but of course Apple announced that they will implement this change in all over the world. So when we're talking about the influence on App Store optimization, we can make an assumption that this will influence the indexation process, the search list, and of course the ranks. As you know, for now, only title and subtitle and keyword field influence the indexation on App Store, but we can make an assumption that in the future, the full long description can also influence the indexation of the applications on App Store. So one more update regarding the reviews, and remember that starting iOS 18.4, Apple is going to show the summary of all the reviews the application has on the app page, and this summary will be generated with the help of the artificial intelligence. So starting iOS 18.4, users do not need to scroll all the reviews the application has, so to make the decision to download the application or not, they will have the possibility to check this summary and then download the application. So in such a way, we understand that app reputation will become even more important when we are talking about the conversion rate. So on our platform, you also have the possibility to work with reputation management using high-quality guaranteed reviews, so to increase the application rating and of course to get high number of positive reviews. At the same time, if you work with keyword promotion on App Store, you could notice that there is a kind of positions freeze during last month. So that means that the ranks of the application are quite stable. Even when you add the keyword installs, the positions are not increased so actively as previously. Usually such processes on App Store are going when they have kind of changes, and for now it is believed that this freeze is connected with the bans of the applications in the European Union. So during last time, the App Store deleted 135,000 applications in the European market, and actually it is connected with the policy implemented in the European Union called the Digital Services Act, and in such a way all the developers should add the legal address, the phone, the email to their developer account, so to give users the possibility to see the information about the developer. And all the developers who haven't added this information to their profile, these applications were banned on the App Store. And if to be honest, it is the most massive, the biggest ban of the application on App Store during all the history of the store. And of course, all such processes can first of all influence the Apple algorithm, the search list, and the ranks of the applications. So if you work with keyword promotion on App Store, please pay attention to this fact as well. And of course, our recommendation is not to stop the promotion, as for now it is important to keep the same volume, so to keep and fix the position. So when the freeze is over, the application occupies the same ranks and the application doesn't load the position it has and it had before the freeze. Of course, we do understand that all these processes can be a little scary, but still we just recommend to follow our recommendations, the recommendations of your personal manager, and this will help you to proceed correctly in such situation. But still, we see that Apple really implements a lot of updates, and in the future they will influence the way we work with this store for sure. So just follow us, just keep in touch with your personal manager so to know all the news regarding App Store. And still, if you have some questions regarding keyword promotion or strategy to use, do not hesitate to contact our support team or your personal manager, and we will be happy to create the strategy for promotion of your application to get top positions and attract organic traffic.